Alright, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick update of an oil change for Green Bean. She needed it basically from the break-in oil that I had in from the camshaft. Next, we're going to tackle the front springs. I rented a set of McPherson strut spring compressor from AutoZone. Also, Energy Suspensions. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Supplied me with transmission mount, poly transmission mount, and a torque arm. Can't get it open. Torque arm polyurethane torque arm mount. There we go. Boom. Thank you guys. Appreciate it, man. You guys are awesome. We'll get into an install video, which is a million of these install videos, but just to give you an idea of what's going on with this car. More parts are coming in. And then on top of that, I bought the cheapest eBay intake system that I can possibly find, and it doesn't fit. I don't know, this is not, it is from an Fbody, but I'm using an aftermarket elbow, and this was the original intake that we bought from eBay. So we're going to try to make this fit with the aftermarket aluminum elbow. That way? No, that way. You can see it don't fit. This is with the aftermarket aluminum elbow. So I have to make adjustments. Yeah, take elbow that we have. So some more crap to do. All right, check in with you guys later. Just want to show you how easy it is to change oil in these Fbodies, these 4th gen Fbodies. 15 mil. Basically hold the plug in till you see the last thread. Boom. Let it flow out. Don't have to over tighten this bolt, just enough to snug it. That's it. Alright, this is the messy part. But I wanted to show you the clearances from the long tube headers from the cheap eBay headers. I mean, look at this. This is freaking awesome. Usually the other aftermarket headers come down a little bit more over to this side where you can't get to this oil filter. But yeah, this is awesome. Oh yeah. Make sure the rubber gasket's not on here. See the rubber gasket? Sometimes this will come off and stick to the block. Dab your finger in the little bit of oil that's in here, and gently. You could fill this up, whatever. Not necessary. Spin it onto home. Give it a nice tug. That's on it tight. And the oil that you put on the rubber gasket will actually create like a suction to the block so it doesn't loosen up. That's it. Let's go put some oil in it. Okay, if you got a stock oil pan, it's 5 quarts. Very simple. Get a 5-quart jug. Your favorite, I don't know, whatever. Watch me fuck this up. There you go. And then once the engine runs, shut it off, check the oil. Very simple. There should be no brainer on this. If you put 5 quarts in, 5 quarts should be in there.